If you are looking for a remarkable 55-plus community, this is the home. Beautiful corner lot with lots of natural light, cathedral ceilings and an open floor plan to be right at home here. You would have a gated front yard and back patio to enjoy your gardens or sip your coffee and wave to the neighbors. Summerlake is a gated senior community that offers a clubhouse with various activities, tennis courts, outdoor pool and jacuzzi, and for the woodworkers, a workshop to be creative in. There is plenty of space in this 1900-plus square foot home, offering 3 bedrooms and 3 full updated baths. The attached garage with an auto opener allows you to bring your groceries right into the kitchen without hassle. The kitchen has been updated with more modern cupboards, Lazy Susan and lower cupboard slides to reach those hard to reach